Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on In the Kitchen with Sandy, I'm making something good. I want something good again today. I want something good every day, really. Well, I want to share a recipe with you for a simple beef, steak, whatever, and broccoli. And if you want to use this, make some rice to go with this, that would be fine. If you want to keep it perfectly low carb and just do the beef and the broccoli, that's fine. You know, sometimes I get a craving for just meat and a few veggies, and that's where I'm at today. So let me show you what we're going to be using today. All right, got a couple things going on here. See my little puppy, well, where'd she go? My little puppy in the background. She likes to watch me cook. I'm going to add in this pot here. I got quite a bit of broccoli that I've already washed and just, you know, broke apart. Nothing major, just kind of broke it apart. But what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and get this going too, getting this nice and warm. But I'm going to add to this pot, this is so easy. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Not a lot. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil to this pan too. We're going to keep it simple today. Absolutely simple. Then I'm also going to add some butter in here, about 2 tablespoons. Because I want it to be seasoned nicely. And then once this starts melting, all we're going to do is simply add our broccoli in here. We're going to add some seasonings to this. I don't know what I'm going to add. I'll probably add my signature blend seasoning, which is absolutely amazing. Maybe a little fresh garlic as well. And then I'm going to add a chicken cube, but we will get to that. And then in this pan over here, I'm going to cook my steaks. I've got 2 of the ribeyes. These are ribeyes. And these I've seasoned with my signature blend seasoning as well. It has all my favorite ingredients in that. But what we're going to do to this, so I'm going to take that butter and just melt that around, and the butter and the olive oil is going to give this an amazing flavor. And by the way, I've let my ribeyes sit out for about an hour and let them come to room temperature. That is very important. You gotta let your meat come to room temperature. You've got to. You just have to do that. And look at that. I didn't cut those in small pieces because, you know what, your girl's got a big mouth here. So it'll break up a little bit as it cooks. And when it steams, it shrinks anyway. But, or when it cooks, we're not really steaming it. We're going to cook it in some deliciousness. I'm going to add all that to that pan, or to that pot. I've been waiting all day for this, all day. My pan over here is heating up nicely. I'm going to add some of my signature blend seasoning to this. And it will make it taste quite lovely. I'm going to add a little bit of garlic. And today I am using the minced garlic in the juices. Oh, I love this stuff. I love this stuff. Just a couple teaspoons. And then I'm going to add some black pepper as well. I hope you guys are having an absolutely amazing day. You know, I like a lot of black pepper. Let's put some on those steaks too. I like pepper on everything. We're going to add, go ahead and toss your bouillon cube in there. You don't have to wait to add the water. Ain't nothing going to happen to that thing. And we're just going to kind of mix that around. Oh my goodness, it is smelling delicious already. Love this. Love it. I love vegetables. And you know what? Oh my goodness, it smells so good. We're going to add about a tablespoon or so of minced onions. Y'all know I just cook as I go. Just stir that around. And the chicken bouillon is not, it is not going to add a chickeny flavor to it. It is just one, so it's just going to add like another extra layer of goodness to it. You got to to trust me on that. You really have to trust me on that. I'm just going to toss that around. Get all of those pieces coated with that deliciousness. Do you see that? Do you see that, you guys? Smells lovely. Absolutely lovely. Now, what we got going on over here is, like I said, our pan with olive oil in it. We're just going to fry these up. These are thin. It's not going to take but just a minute. By the time these are done, we're going to pull them off and let them rest. And then this will come together quickly as well. It's very important that you make sure your pan is nice and hot before you lay your steaks in there. And that sounds perfect. Perfect. I don't know about you all, but I tell you what, I love steaks fried in a pan. Absolutely love them. This is smelling so good already. And then we're going to add about a half a cup of water in there. Now you've got the butter, you've got the olive oil, and then you've got the chicken cubes and my signature bun seasoning. So you know this broccoli is going to be amazing. Now I'm going to put the lid on this, and I'm going to let this cook for probably about maybe 10 minutes, just until it gets nice and fork tender, because I like mine with a little bite on it. These are going to go for about 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side, and it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. Just you wait and see. Alright, my steaks are done. They've been sitting and rested on the back of the stove for about 10 minutes. Like I said, they are nice and thin. My broccoli is done. Literally, this took about 10 minutes to throw together, honestly. A little bit more time if you have, you know, if you have to clean your broccoli and such. Now I'm just going to take these out. Look how much juice. See? It's a lot of juice in there. And I'm just going to slice them against the grain. Oh, look at that. First bites for me, and look at that's cooked perfectly. Just a little pink on the inside. I'm gonna have that. I tell you what, I love steak. And like I said, you could cook this over, or you could put it over a bed of rice, eat it just like this. However you eat it, I know you're going to enjoy it. Let's try a bite. And that broccoli. Why are you so close? I don't know why you're so close. Broccoli's still hot. Perfect. Man, it's good. Just the way I like it. Still a little bite to it. Still got a little crunch to it. I hope you like this recipe. I like this recipe, so I know you're gonna like it. You know I love you guys very much. I'll see you on the next one.